Have you ever seen salt growing from the earth? This everyday ingredient is actually a miracle of nature. The journey of salt begins from seawater or natural salty water. The salty water is collected in large ponds where sunlight begins its work. Under the heat of the sun, water slowly evaporates. In some places, salt appears on the surface like seeds sprouting from the earth. Workers carefully collect the harvested salt. Before use, the salt is washed and purified.
Salt is refined into fine grains.
The refined salt is packed using modern machines. Finally, this salt becomes an essential part of our daily food. Next time you use salt, remember its incredible journey.